Hari Om, friends. Many people, they have this notion that failure holds back a person, that a setback, they seem to deal with it in a negative way. They're not able to rise above a setback, failure. Failures is not per se an issue here. It is the emotional baggage we carry after a failure, after a setback, after a disruption that really is a problem. The emotional baggage we carry after an issue is over, that creates more problems than the setback itself. That's why the self-doubt, the regret, the disappointments, the embarrassment you have gone through due to that failure holds you back far more than the failure itself. Think about it. Therefore, the only time you are allowed to go back in the past is to remind yourself not to make that mistake again. The only time you are allowed to go back to your past is to remind yourself not to make that mistake one more time. Failures will be there, setbacks will be there, disruption may happen, but let us use it as a stepping stone for a better way of living. If you look at problems as problems, it will continue to remain as problem. But if you look at problems as situations to be dealt with, then you understand these are all have a meaning and a purpose in life, and maybe it is a blessing in disguise. Maybe it is making you into a better individual, a nobler seeker. So let's not view setbacks. Let us not become a victim of a setbacks and remain in that stage, and that spoils it all. That's why failure per se is not a problem. The emotional baggage you carry after a failure is the biggest issue we face now. The emotional regrets, the disappointments, the embarrassment. All that, if you keep carrying it much longer, it's going to weigh you down. It will pull you in the wrong ways. So, for your own benefit, it is better you view it only to the extent so that you don't make that mistake again, and you are in the route of progress. And once you do that, I'm telling you, no incident is wrong. It has a place, it has a meaning, and you will progress with it. Think about it. Namaskar.